my friend said she likes what I cook, so I've decided to take some videos and share since she's a bit far away. And today I did homemade ramen. First, you cut the veggies. I used bok choy today. You can use choy sam, spinach, cabbage, whatever you want. And make sure you wash them first. I already had chicken stock from chicken rice that I cooked last night, which already had ginger, garlic, spring onion, but you can just replace it with chicken stock, ginger, garlic, spring onion, and you just boil it for about 20 minutes. Today I'm attempting to make miso ramen, so I add 2 tablespoons of miso, I added half a teaspoon of tobanjang, and on the side frying pan I started cooking my ground pork. You can add salt and pepper to the soup if you'd like. You mash it and cook until the color turns white. I added some mentsuyu in the soup stock. It doesn't have to be mentsuyu, it can also be soy sauce, but I would use less amount of soy sauce. 2 teaspoons of sugar in the soup stock. You cook the pork until the color turns a little bit whitish. And when the pork turns a little bit whitish, I add the veggies. I just kind of steam it by putting the lid on for a while. I'm gonna move the veggie to the side where I have a higher heat. When the steam comes out from the lid, I add a bit of salt and a bit of pepper. Stir it a bit. And turn the heat off. I'm gonna start boiling the noodles. I think those are from Taiwan, if I'm not wrong. They're just plain noodle that you can use for anything. I'm gonna boil the noodle for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, since the soup is already ready, I'm gonna put it into the bowl. Two minutes done, so I take out the noodle and put it into the bowl. put the veggies on the noodle. And I'm gonna put corn, canned corn for a color. I like corn on the noodle. And you put butter. It's like miso butter ramen. Since I also had leftover ham, I'm just gonna decorate it nicely. It's done. It's a very light tasted noodle. Enjoy!